Hello and welcome to this video on how to adjust items in your Moodle shell. Specifically, we were talking about the weeks and kind of getting your shell beginning to be set up. Alright, so here's the shell this is one of the classes that I'm going to be teaching, and this is updated for fall 2018. So when I log in to my shell, you'll see that it's basically blank, and you'll see that it's already broken up into weeks. Wow, look at that! Now, classes start for fall of 2018 on August 15th. How do we know that? Well, if we go to the university website and we go to calendars, and then here's the university calendar, and if we scroll down, if it's not already set to fall, then click on fall 2018, and you can see that classes start on the 15th of August. And you can also look to see what other dates are coming up for the rest of that semester. Okay, so that's a Wednesday. Formal classes begin on Wednesday, so that's good to know. So when we go back to here, so you'll see that August 15th. Now, here's the challenge that I'm faced with. When I look at my calendar, okay, my calendar, you're going to show me August? Okay, so it goes 15th through the 21st. So my weeks are set up Wednesday to Tuesday. Well, that's kind of weird. I mean, but it's doing that because the first day of class is really the 15th. Well, the way that I run my classes are really kind of Monday through Sunday. And so, when students show up on Monday, we start a new week, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to show you how I adjust this. It's not cheating. It's not like you're going to get in trouble with the school. So I'm going to click on the gear up here, and I'm going to hit Edit Settings. And then that'll change this thing. And then I'm going to say this course start date is actually, I'm going to change that to the 13th. Because, again, that was a Monday the 13th. And the course end date is still the 12th. So if we look at the calendar again, we scroll down. When's the last day of classes? Final exams end. So actually, and we don't have any finals for English. So really, well, actually, we'll just keep that in there. Let's say till the 7th. So I go back here, and the course end date is actually December 7th. And then I'm going to calculate the end date from the number of sections. All right, so then I'm going to hit Save and Display. And then what that's going to do is it's going to change it. So now that my weeks should be Monday through Sunday. And then the last day is going to be, well, because that's a Monday, and it's going to say, well, it ends on whatever. So that updates that. Okay. So that's step one. So now I've changed it. Now students are going to say, well, wait a minute, it says August 13th, and we didn't start class. Well, there's a couple other things we're going to do to add just to kind of start off our shell here. And what we need to do next is to go over here and go turn on Edit Settings. Edit Settings. And you'll notice at the top, here there's nothing. There's like a little edit button over here, but you see there's a whole blank of nothing. So I click on edit here, and I hit edit section. And it gives me a chance I'm going to hit custom so it doesn't have a title per se. And it's going to say, welcome to ENG 110-03, because it's right there. Yeah, okay. And then what I recommend is you put what time and day this class meets and where it meets. Well, how do you know that? Well, if we go back to the Shaw University main web page and you go to BearsNet. Okay, now I'm already logged in, but when to log in, it'll ask for your username and your password. That's the same as what you use to log in for everything. So for me, it's J Morgan is my username, because that's the beginning part of my email, and my password is, I'm not going to say what my password is. Then it's whatever the password is. Then for me, to figure out what classes meet when, I click on Faculty, and I click on Faculty Home. So Faculty, then I click on Faculty Home, and then I can do a course search. And I'm going to choose Fall Semester, okay? This is not normally pre-populated. I was looking at this earlier. If you want to just make it easier, you can actually go to the faculty down here and find your name. Okay, so there I am, Jason Morgan. So this is going to show the classes. Now I'm recording this in July, so the schedule's not set yet. It's just showing some general things. So I'm going to hit search, and then it'll show the classes that I'm currently signed up to teach. Now these are going to change. I'm going to get more classes than this, but it shows that English 110-03 meets this time, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, from 9 to 9:50 a.m. It's on the Raleigh main campus at the Talbert O. Shaw Learning Center, and it's room number 111. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead. I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to go back to this, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that as plain text. I'm going to say this. Oops, I can almost spell. This class meets. Okay, and then I'm gonna just even kind of on the Raleigh main campus in the Talbot O. Shaw Learning Center, room number 111. Okay, that's what I would say. Yeah. Okay, so then I'm gonna save changes. So when they log in right away, they'll see, okay, well, I don't know what the class means. Well, yes, you do, because it's right there at the top of Moodle. I don't know where it is. Yes, you do, because it's right there. Okay. And then the other thing I would do is that for this very first week, I would edit the week and clarify that the first day of class is Wednesday, August 15th. Please bring paper and something to write. Gosh, I can write with on the first day of class. Okay, so, and then I would go ahead and save the changes there. Okay, so that basically gets me started. So what I've basically done in this video again, I've shown you how to change the date so it's a Monday through Sunday schedule instead of a Wednesday through Tuesday schedule. I've shown you that I would suggest, so again, when the student logs in, so if we change this over and we switch the role to what the student will see, when they log in, this is what they see. Welcome to ENG 113, and then like this, and then it has the date. And then it clarifies that the first day of class is Wednesday, August 15th. Even though this says the 13th, you've clarified it right there, that it's that's the thing. And again, the first day of class for English 110, they actually take an essay to see if they should be 110 or 111 or somewhere else. So that's why I put that. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. And okay, there. Now go do it.